Hey guys, it's me, Sharan. So yesterday I made a video about science, optics, lesson 2, physics. So I have done until the scattering of light. So now I will do a video about maths because on Monday they proposed a test math exam, but seems that the question paper was too hard and the suggestion box was like filled with these papers because the math was too hard readers and they protested. I mean, I won't say protested, but like they literally asked the headmaster of mathematics department and then they pleaded him to give them another chance because it seems a lot of questions were actually own question as well as inside the question, and only like two, I mean they didn't ask chapter 1 and 3 matrices and set relations and function, which made them kind of a break because if it wasn't for that they would have won. So now today we will be looking at 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 2.1, 2.2, 3.1, 3.1, 3.2 and 3 will be not because that is algebra, and I'll teach you guys later because that's a very hard subject to be hard topic to be covered. And next is geometry. I will do geometry. Okay, I will not do geometry because it's also another hard topic to teach you guys. So to be honest, these are the easiest exercise you can learn, and the hard ones will be over here. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 4.1. 4 exercises. Kind of hard to be honest. So I'll just go by the concepts of what each exercise determines and what's like the core concept of each of the exercises. Let's see if anyone is watching the live. Okay, one is watching. Hi. So nice. So now let's go only to the core meaning. So the first thing we see is relations and functions, which is here. So the first thing you gotta understand while learning chapter 1 is, so last year in 9th grade you have seen like these functions. So A into B union C is equal to A union B times C. You have seen like this, but in 10th grade it actually changes. The complexity of this chapter changes to A into B is equal to B into A, or B into C is equal to C into B, or A into C is equal to C into A, or so these are multiplication of sets and relations and functions. So let's go by the core concepts one by one. So let's see guys if you understand every single thing possible. So I'm just going to give you guys an example. So imagine if they gave 1, 2, 3 and B 4, 5, 6. Find out, if they ask us to find out A into B and B into A. They ask us to find A into B into A and B into A. That's what they have asked, isn't it? So by looking at the question, guys, you can clearly state that the question is kind of complicated, and okay, so let's find A into B. So A into B is equal to, what is A, guys? So what are the numbers in A? So it's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. There's a multiplication symbol. You can also put the multiplication symbol, or if you don't want, it's fine. Either way, if it's the sign is not there, it means it's multiplication. So for your sign, I'll just put the multiplication sign over here, and B is 4, 5, 6. So now what you should do is, so guys, let me give you an example. So how do you, what is the product of this? So how do you multiply? What will be the answer if you multiply 7 to be here? So the first thing you'll do is 7 times, so you'll get 7b plus 7a, right? Yes, so just like that, the concept applies here. So the first number, so imagine 1 and 4x, 5y, 6z. These are just polynomials, you can just take them for example. So imagine you just, instead of multiplying, you just add them as functions like 1 into 4x, 1 into 5y. You do not need to multiply like 1 into 4, we can just write 4, 1 into 4, 1 into 5, 5. You don't need to write like that. But instead you gotta form functions. 1 into 4x, 1 into 5x, and 1 into 6z. So just remember, take out the polynomials, because this is just an example of how sets and relations work. There will not be any polynomials, I promise. So how will I find now? Just by using the same concept. 1 times 4 into 5 into 6. So 1 into 4. Form a function 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Now that 1 is over, now you go to 2. Now the same concept will apply for 2. What is it? 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Now the same concept will apply for third one. 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Okay, so this is the answer for A to B. As you cannot, there's no need of you guys to from B to A. No guys, they only ask A to B. So let me ask you a simple question, guys. So if they ask you to find 5 into 20, when you first multiply by the second number or the first number like this. Okay, so basically everyone would multiply the first number, then the second number. No one would barely do like the second and first unless they're kind of quotient guys. So but the thing is that, so imagine 95 times 20, right? So 95 as A, 20 as B. We multiply like this. So you'll get the answer as X. So will you again multiply? So imagine like this is C. So imagine, would you multiply this C times A into B, or just leave C as it is because it is the product of both A into B? That's why you just gotta leave as it is because this is the answer for this. So imagine let's find A into B. A into B is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 2, 2, and B into A, same. No one watching my live, I guess. So I'll give you guys some minutes to look after the video. So let's continue the diagram. So now I have done A into B, A into A and B. I mean, let's find B into A now. So B into A. So what are the elements of B? So 4, 5, 6 times A is 1, 2, 3. We just multiply. Simple. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. 5, 1, 5, 2, 1, 3. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3. So this is the core concept of exercise 1.1. So it's pretty simple if you understand it, of course, because if you don't understand, then you're done for. Now, is there any other? So guys, they'll ask if A is equal to 4, 6, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, and C is equal to 4, 5, 7. Then they'll ask us to find A into A is equal to B into B. So it doesn't count C into C. So they'll probably ask this. Just apply the same core concepts in each of the given equation. So let's try to find one by one. And this will be the last one. They'll teach you exercise 1.1. And that's basically it. Then the remaining are just, so A into A will become 4, 6 into 4, 6. And then 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 4, 6, 6. So this is 1. Now this is LHS. Now RHS. So B into B, intersection C into C. So now B into B will become 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3. This will become 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, now let's find C into C. 4, 5, 7 times 4, 5, 7. Four, 4, okay, I don't think they have asked this question today. Okay, so and then 4, 7. No, becomes 4, that's all about the sum. Very good to know. So this is about exercise 1.1. Hi there, Roger. Oh, you're back again. Hello, Sharon. What topic does these belong? Okay, so these belong to my first midterm examination, which the portions are literally over there. Oh, the believer. Hi, guys. Oh my god. So the portion is right there: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 2.1, and 2.2. As the Roger, this is what my topic belongs to. So now I'll start with now I have done with exercise 1.1. Now I'll start with exercise 1.2. Guys, remember, I'm not teaching like the entire exercise. I'm just going to teach like the core concepts of what this exercise is made about. So So guys, if you go to the 1.2 exercise, the first thing that they will ask is define domain and range. So let me give you an example of this set A into B, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 2, 4. The first thing they'll ask us to find domain and range. So remember guys, domain. Domain is like domain equals to set of all first elements, and range is the same thing but second elements. So guys, this is the main thing that you've got to remember. So now tell me what's the domain and what's the range. So guys, remember, who's cute now? OMG. Oh, there's a lot of guys watching. Wait, do I think who cute is? Okay, alright. So term of the number shouldn't repeat. So why it says that is, you see like the 1, 2, 1, 3. So on these two sets, which number repeats? So 1 and 1. So there should be only one 1. I mean, yes, only singular 1. And yes, guys. So now let me underline which of the numbers are repeating again and again. 1, 1. This one is repeating. 2, 2, 2. And 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So the first, so if there's 3, take any one. And if there's also 3, take any one. So what is the domain is that it's 1, 2. This is the correct method. It's not like it's 1, 1, 1 and 2, 2, 2. Even if it's like this, these matrices will be undissolved because of the imbalance between these both equilibrium. So now it's only each element in each function. So now let's find range. Range is the all second elements. Turn off, the number shouldn't repeat. So 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So then it should be 2, 3, 4. So that's what this about is. So this is a core concept, domain and range. Remember, guys? Then, guys, this is the second kind of thing they will probably ask. Find the relation in each of the following sets. So they will give you guys a set, two sets. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3, where B is equal to 2, 3, 4. And find such that if relation 1 is 5, 2, relation 2 is 1, 2 and 5, 2, and relation 3 is 2, 3 and 2, 4. First, if they give which of the following are relation from A to B. So if you gotta know the relation of what the thing means, so first thing you have to do is multiply A into B. So A into B will become 1, 2, okay, I'll do this in a left hand side so I can have more space than while doing this. Is it possible to conduct division and subtraction? So first, dear Raja, is it possible to conduct division, addition, and subtraction in matrices? Yes, dear Raja, it is actually possible to add, subtract, and multiply in matrices, or you mean sets. Yes, it does happen. That's what we have saw in 9th standard. Yes, your sir is correct. It is done. So, what is the range? Okay, so 1, okay, so there are John will respond to your question. What is the range? So 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 3 and 2, 4. So the question that you have asked is, what is the range when the second set is repeating, second of the set? So OMG means like the use of yours. So I just told that domain is the first set of elements and range is second set of elements. So see, 1, 1, 2, 2. So 1 and 1 repeats and 2 and 2 repeats. So its domain of this set will be, okay, so if you don't understand how this works, just remember, if there are, look at the first element, if there is like, imagine there's 1, but there are another one in the other element and another one in the third element, that means if 3 is there, then this whole divided by 1, then you just get, so you just get only 1, 1. Alright guys, singular one. So that means the domain will be, so there's 2 1s. So you'll get 2 come by 1. So it's 1. No. Okay, first there's 1. Now how many 1s are there? 2. That means it will be 1 and, oh my god. Just simply, so how many digits of 1s are there? 2, 1. So what is 2, 1? 2, 1 is 2, 0. So the question, so 2 into 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So first 1, 2, 3. Remember, so there is only 1. So 1, 2. And the range is just like this. So I'll just do the same thing what I have just did. Wait, isn't it have... Okay. So this set is technically wrong. OMG, you have sent a wrong set. But look, each of these are overlapping. 1, 1, 2, 2. But look at this. 1, 2, 2. How did 3 come? The possibilities of this happening are 0.0 into the power of minus 8, 1. But there should be at least a 4 over here, so that the domain can be 2, 4. It's like I told you guys. So there are 2, 2. So 2, 2, 1, 2, 0. So 1 into 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 2 will become just 1 singular 2. So the set that you have sent me, OMG, is totally wrong. So it was just a waste of time, wasn't it? I won't say that's a waste of time, but I think you have sent me a wrong set, so you can say that again. Says orange. So now let's go back to the sum. First we have to find A into B. So A into B is 1, 2, 3 times 2, 3, 4. So multiply 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3. The elements of A to B are there in relation 1, relation 2, relation 3. So let's see one by one. So R1 is equal to 5, 2. So guys, do you see a 5, 2 over here? No. So there is not a 5, 2 in this set. So we can say that here 5, 2 is not a relation to R, 2. So 5, 2 is not a relation to A into B. So this will be the first answer, guys. Now the second answer will be R relation to is equal to 1, 2, 2, 5. So 1, 2 is there. So we can put that here. 1, 2 is a relation of is equal to R into 2. But is there 2, 5 over there? No. So but 2, 5 is not but 2 comma 5 does not belong to R2. So R comma 1. So R comma 2 is not relation from 8. So the third one would be comma 4. So what will be the answer for this? So here 2 comma 3 is present there and 2 comma 4 is also present there. So here 2 comma 3 belongs to A into B. So R3 is a relation to A into B. Excellent narration. Thank you, Madam Kirtana. And dear Raja, I believe the answer is set of all natural numbers since the set second of the set is repeating. Now, dear Raja, that is incompatible because it is actually not possible because in the second set there has to be at least two overlapping numbers because there are two numbers which are overlapping, which is 2, and only 1 3 and 1 4, which is kind of not possible to form another set. So next one is well done, Malvika. Thank you so much. There, Raja, I'll check the comments every 3. Okay, what if I just turn the camera? Okay, but I don't think it'll be, guys, kind of good for you. So I'm gonna just put, oh my lord. Okay, I'm just gonna put it like this. So please check the comments if I say hi. Can I say please don't try to see me say hi. Nice. Oh, a lot of guys are seeing the live. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. To the 3 guys, thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. So I will check the comments every 3 minutes, guys. Alright. So guys, and another example is there of you'll give A into 1 2 3 4 5, B is equal to 2 3 5 8, and if they also give the result that random they'll ask us to find this in the orders of arrow diagram, graph, and roster form. Sharan, can you please tell the formula? Okay, so there, Raja, to be honest, there are not any formulas in sets and relations, to be honest. But the thing is that they look like formulas, but actually they don't. And there's no need of memorizing because there's no formulas. And even though if they give like the A into B is equal to B into B intersection C into C, you can just substitute the values that they give, so no problem. So yes, so that's the day, Raja. So guys, please subscribe, like, and share this video to more of your friends so they can also get help from them. And I got so many subscribers, I'm so grateful for. So now keep up the support and let's try to do this one. So first one, there was this arrow diagram. So arrow diagram, you gotta understand, guys. So arrow diagram. So A relation of B. What are the functions in A? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3, 5, 8. So guys, look at what they have given. 1, 3. So 1, 3 is 1, and 1, 5. So 1, 5 is 1. And so there's 2, 8. 2, 8. And 5, 8. 5, 8. So just now a normal graph of how it should look like. 0, x, y, 1, 2, 3. But see, that is 1, 3. So 1, 3. This is 1, 5. 1, 5. Next one there was is 2, 8. 2, and 5, 8. If I actually look at this, guys, this will become a curve. And the Roscoe form is just this. That's it, guys. So no need to go, for extra understanding or more. Someone check the comment section now. Kirtana madam said that sure, you deserve all support. Thank you so much, Madam Kirtana. Well, if you say then yes, I will be deserve all of your guys' support, because if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have been able to achieve 70 subscribers. And hi guys. So now I'll be doing a quick 2-minute break, so I'm just gonna go drink water and stuff. And what does GRT work? I don't understand what does GRT means. So can anyone say what does GRT means? I'm just gonna be back in like 2 minutes. Alright guys, I'm back. So what does grid means? Grid means GRT means great. Oh, thank you so much, Foodie Shorts, for saying that to me. I thought, trust me, I thought like you just said, get back to work, like that. So I actually got a bit of confused, guys. So, yes, so I'll be, now that exercise 1.2 is over, we can go to 1.3, guys, alright? So, yeah. But there are kind of substitution things where you gotta do it. So guys, I'ma just leave you guys for a second so I can just see what you guys are chatting. Deva says, what Foodie Shorts, what food do you eat? Let's see what Foodie Shorts eat. Oh, he's eating pizza. Nice, nice, nice. So, Devaja, what do you eat? So now everyone Foodie Shorts will eat pizza. So what about you, Devaja? Sharan, what? Thank you so much for asking. I ate for lunch I ate green leaves lentil stew and fish as my side dish. So there are the eating chicken burgers. It's very nice. So that's what I ate, guys. So yeah. So guys, so to be honest, studying is also important. So now I'll just guys let you guys see what my daily routine as a student, which I am. So early morning, 6 o'clock, I wake up. Then I go down like 6:05, go down and okay, guys, wait, let me ask you a question. Does any of you guys know French? I'm just asking a question first. Does any of you know French? Okay, so Madame Kitna doesn't know French. Oh, you know. Kusho. Do you know what kusho means? Oh, thank you, Madam Kitana, for saying that. Yes, I know language, intermediate. So, little. Alright, for the shorts, it's kind of nice. So, comment ça va? Je vais bien, et toi? For the shorts? Et toi? J'espère que vous allez bien. Okay, so back. 6 o'clock, I wake up, go down, and okay, I'm just gonna speak in right in French, and guys, that is my daily routine. Comment ça va? For the shots, I'm doing good, doing well, thank you. And you, Sharon? Myself will see for the shots for fast food. I like naan with chicken gravy with tandoori plus paratha plus chicken biryani. Oh, yummy. You, well, I'm sitting. Wow, you're great. Foodie shorts. Please keep treat. Where are you from? Sharon routine. Thank you, Madam Kirtana. I'll give treat when we meet. I'm from America, New Jersey. America? Kind of sus. So, I believe on the Kama Desert. Actor Nani Jersey, movie Telugu movie. Okay, guys. So this is me. I wrote in French. Someone deciphered what I just told guys, right? So 6 in the morning, I wake up. Then 6:05, I go down. Then drink some milk because I'm kind of lactose intolerant. That's why I get all my waste out, to be honest. And 6:10 to 6:35, I go to my inner bathroom business, shit and stuff, and then I brush my teeth. Then 6:45 to this morning, I bathe. And after this, I dress up myself. Then I wait for driver or chauffeur. Then I go to my car. I go to the car. Then 8 o'clock, I am at school. So 5 o'clock, I return to home. I come to home. Then 5 minutes, I undress myself. Then I eat. And 6:15 to 8 o'clock, I study. Then 8 to 9, I play. Then 9:30, I watch television or serials and cartoons. Then at 10 o'clock, when I sleep, then all these will just happen one by one. Completely foreign to India. Sharan accent feels like he's from America. Guys, I'm not. I'm not from America. It's just like I actually watch a lot of English movie where I develop my accent and my grammatical skills. Because it's not my American accent, guys. So I do feel the same. Yes, you may feel, but trust me, I actually have Indian accent where I decode myself. Next, food shots. You are from which country? Madam Kirtana says, thank you for explaining your routine. Thank you. You're welcome. Wow. Actor Nani is my neighbor city. Actor Nani is my neighbor city. We all eat biryani together. That's actually nice, dear Raja. So, footy shots is Sharon. Do you have siblings like sister or brother? Yes, footy shots. I have one brother who is in Russia, who's studying as a doctor. So then Jotro Kujo says hi. I'm from India. Wow, that's good. Your English is very advanced for age. Thank you, Madam Kirtana. So now, next thing we will go first 3.17. So guys, matrix. Matrix is actually kind of like the easiest exercise known to mankind. So imagine A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whereas the same thing, but A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. A31, A32, A33. So guys, this is just an example. So I gotta teach you guys how you should know the position of each number in the matrix. So guys, tell me the position of A23, A31, A12. Guys, you can tell me the answer. Then I can proceed. Sharan, can you tell how about your brother is a good guy? To be okay, he's a doctor. Or so my brother, he is a good guy. To be honest, plus he studied really well and is an A student. So yeah, he is a good guy. So A23 is 6. Very good day, Raja. A23 is indeed 6. What about A31? So there, Raja, you don't answer. Let's ask footy shorts to answer. Let's ask footy shorts. Footy shorts, you answer. Is footy shorts there? I don't think so. Oh, Madam Kirtana? Anyone that could answer the question? Dev Raja have answered one. Madam Kirtana said A31 is 7. Yes, very, very good, Madam Kirtana. It is. A31 is 7. So what about A12? Now, okay, on the count of 3, Dev Raja and Madam Kirtana, let's see who gives answer first. A12. What is A12? A12, guys. A12. Quick. Any of you guys? 3 of you guys? Let's see who is the one that answers first. So Madam Kirtana answered first. So shout out to our channel. It is actually 2. Thank you guys so much for answering the question I asked you guys. So now guys, I'll teach you about addition and subtraction of matrices. Alright? That's all we need to know, the main core concept of 3.17. So let me give you is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 5, 6, 7, 8. So from this one example, you can say this A plus B. So how do you find A plus B is actually, you gotta conjoin the elements or alternative elements. So look, 1 into 5 and 2 into 6, 1 into 7 and 4 into 8. This is how this works. So 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5, 2, 6, 2 plus 6 and 3 plus 7, 4, 8. So 4 plus 8. So what is 1 plus 5? 6. 2 plus 6? 8. 3 plus 7? 10. 4 plus 8? 12. So guys, this will be the answer to A plus B, guys. So now guys, imagine the same conundrum. A conundrum is like the same question, but with a minus. So guys, minus plus nothing changes. It's just the same thing, but you got a minus. So 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5. 2 minus 6. So guys, remember, if you got to multiply, like 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember the alternative numbers of each set will be added, subtracted, divised or multiplied. So 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7, Let's be honest, guys. So 1 is the first element of A matrix. So we gotta add the first element of B. So 1 is 1. So guys, give me 2 minutes. I'll just go drink some milk and I'll be right back. Guys, let's not chat. Can you study? Because this is not chatting video. This is actually a studying video where I'll teach you guys. Devraja, can you stop asking some unnecessary questions? Please, I'm not rude, but it's just just don't it's kind of like disturbing their privacy, to be honest. It's fine, no need to be sorry. It's just that the live chat is actually kind of chatting live, because it doesn't even look like a studying live. So yes, Devraja, I forgive you. It's fine, don't cry and stop making a scene, to be honest. Yes, so that's all what will happen here. So 2,6 and 3,7 and 4,8. So I'll be the answer to 1,5. So imagine the other way around. 5,1, 4, 6,2, 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 3, 6, 5, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. So what is the bigger sign? Minus 1. So minus, 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 minus. So the answer will be all of these are minus 4. Do you understand? So now I'll give you guys another example. So if A plus B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 7, 9, 2. So guys, multiply. Plus 9, 4 plus 2. Guys, I need you to answer the set. And guys, I need you also to answer me what is A of 22, A11, A1, 2. Answer me this, guys. Let's see if you understand. First, I want the matrix. I want the matrix to be done immediately ASAP. 6. Okay, I do not need the A22 and stuff. I need to fill the box. Fill the box, like you just see like the 1 plus 5. Fill out like what's the answer below. Okay, fine. First I'll answer. So A32 is 6. A22 is 6. Very good. Very good, Kirtana and Madam Kirtana. And A11, A11 is 6. Very good, Anna. Very good, Madam Kirtana. Now answer this. What will come as a part of these matrices? Very good that I've answered all of this correctly, and I need the yes 6 9 6 9. What about these two? Is it 12? 6. Very good, guys. Thank you so much for answering my question. Oh, there, Roger. You told that you're the one who first told. Let me check the comment section. Oh, sorry there, Raja. It seems like you're the one who told this. Sorry, but it looks like because you're chatting guys a lot, the first messages just keep going down and down until the second message pops up. So please stop talking unless I tell you to talk. So for now, yes, guys. So now this is exercise 3.17. So now these concepts basically cover bye guys. I'll see you tomorrow, right?